How to check if someone is monitoring your WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to secure your account and remove unauthorized access. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings from the drop-down options. At this point, tap on Linked Devices to view all active sessions. In the next step, you'll see a list of all devices connected to your WhatsApp account. Following this, check for any unknown or unfamiliar devices in the list. Once done, if you find an unknown device, tap on it. From here, tap Log Out to disconnect that device immediately. At this stage, go back to Settings and tap on Privacy. After this, scroll down and tap on App Lock. Once completed, toggle on Unlock with Fingerprint or Face Unlock to enable biometric security. Finally, go back to Settings, tap on Account, then tap Two-Step Verification and tap Set Up PIN to enable 2FA for extra security. And that's it. If this security guide helped you protect your WhatsApp from monitoring, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.